Town fries. First bite. You try first. Is it good?
Sorry. Here.
It's ice soup.
Open up.
Yeah, 10K.
Look at that fucking tomato on there.
Pretty good. You good? Don't.
What? Right there.
I don't want a big ass bread piece. It's spicy though.
Yeah.
You want trade or what? You got it?
Hopefully.
Oh,
What?
we're better.
Oh. Zoe got the best house.
You can have this one.
Why?
This is spicy.
What?
It's spicy. You might not be able to. Here.
I want to eat some. I'm just waiting. What?
Are you sure? This is the one you're die eating it.
You can take a few bites. Go.
I'm good.
Help me.
Mine is good. Yours is
Can we get a water cup? Yeah,
the
water.
ass.
Yeah.
You okay? You can just eat this one, babe.
I'm fine. Why?
Getting kind of full.
You done?
Yeah. Just munch on the kimchi and fries. Ew. Ew.
Bad?
It's warm.